You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is r greater than 20. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the r. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is r greater than 20.